Hi there, I'm Sheli Fulcher Koontz. I'm a founding member of the law firm of Hansen St, and today I'm going to talk to you about what is the end game for your case. Where are you going and how do you plan to get there? A lot of times people come into the office, they've got a legal issue, and the first question I always ask is, where do you want to go? It's kind of like when you go to the bus station or the airport and you get a ticket, the first thing that ticket agent's going to ask you is, where do you want to go today? So how do you know how to get to your end game? What's the result you want? When you come in to talk to somebody about your case, maybe you're getting a divorce, maybe you're having a custody battle with your child's parent, the easiest way to figure out how to navigate difficult cases like family law, for example, is what is the end result you want to achieve? Are you trying to have an amicable divorce, split everything in a reasonable fashion, have as least amount of fighting as possible, or are you in it for the fight, the long haul fight? If you decide at the beginning what your end result is, you make it a lot easier both for yourself and for your attorney to figure out how to get you there. Is it even possible? And if so, what's it going to cost you? And the steps you need to take. And one of the things you have to decide is, once you figure out what your end game is, what are you willing to concede to get there? Some people, all they want to do is fight, and I always tell them that's fine, but it's expensive, and at the end you may not get the results you were seeking. If you've got a clear idea of what the result at the end is, you have to decide, what are you willing to give up or to concede to make that happen, because that's how deals get made. Everyone has to give up a little something to get to the end result. The other question you have to ask, specifically in family law cases, what price are you, or more importantly, your children or wallet, going to pay for you to get to your end game? If your end game is to stick it to your ex-spouse because you're really mad, who's going to be the collateral damage of that? How much money are you willing to spend? Is that money that could go into a college fund for your children? Is that money better spent somewhere else? Are your kids going to be the collateral damage of that? And it's very easy in family law to be really angry, and that's what you want. But talk about your end game with your attorney and let your attorney tell you why maybe down the road and in the future that isn't the best route for you to go, and be open. Because again, this is your case, you're hiring counsel to help you, but you've got to be open, but you've got to know what's the final step. Where do you want to land when this is over? So take that quick tip and run with it and decide what's your end game for your case.